All right, so I'm in the installation process for this remote starter, the smart remote starter. It's almost done. It's um, the starter button here now. I installed, as you can see, and all the wiring is pretty much done. But again, I still have to hook up the alarm. This is just a quick test. So how this thing works. So this remote starter comes with alarm, keyless entry, and smart start. So you can see there the button, and also it can be controlled with your cell phone. And on top of that, I have the app here. All you have to do is just download the app, and that's what it look like. So you can control from here. If I go, so you can see right now is unlocked, right? So if I go move away, this this should lock. So if I move away, I'm not pressing anything. I'm holding the camera at the same time. There you go. That's locked. So I'm gonna leave my phone here just to make sure that it's locked, right? Yep. So it's locked. Now I'm gonna go get the phone. Still in the morning, early in the morning. That's why it's dark. Get the phone, and it should be unlocked when we go closer. There you go. Right. So I set it up that's close, or actually this is the normal range, but yeah. So that's another features. Let's start it with the starter here. Engine start. There you go. Right, so this will run 10 minutes, and after that it will shut up. So yeah, so that's one thing. So when you go in, and you pretty much not do anything. I mean, you don't have to take the key with you. All you need to have is the cell phone, and that's pretty much it. So to stop it, obviously you just have to press the same button here, and that's it, right? And again, lock, unlock, right? Unlock, lock. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll give you an update soon. So yeah, follow for more videos, and I'll see you then.